as one of people to respect age. These are people who are still long, still much. And as the Swahili say, kuishi kwingi kuona mengi. So we believe that you will help us, and Murang'a can only become better. The vision that we have for this county of Murang'a is a vision where the government we have is pro-business. Most of you are eminent business people. Let's create an environment that attracts the best investment in this county. That if you're a business person, you want to open a business, you create an environment for young people so that you are able to get a little bit of more taxes, local or source revenue, so that we are able to utilize that tax for the benefit of people of Murang'a. When you look at the composition of this council, get the signal that Murang'a means business. Ours is pure concentration on the government, and we are not what you are going to critique us when we go on. To the county employees, even as we welcome this new council, allow me also to set a date. And the date is, we must now uplift our efforts and our standards upward. For all the reasons, the caliber of the people who are not changes. There are people who do not want to be associated with a county that has scandals, that has controversies.